Welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to connect and control your Android phone on a Windows 11 computer using the built-in Microsoft Phone Link app. Let's begin. What you need: a Windows 11 computer with internet access, an Android phone with internet access, a Microsoft account. Use the same account on both devices. On your computer, click Start. Type Phone Link and open the Phone Link app. Choose your device type. As we have Android device, select the Android. If you are signed to Windows 11 using Microsoft account, it will use that account. Give your credentials. It will produce a QR code. We have to scan this code with our Android phone, but before that we have to install Windows Link app on it. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Search for Link to Windows. Install the app named Link to Windows by Microsoft. Once installed, open the app. Sign in with the same Microsoft account that you used on the computer. Allow the app. The camera will open. Point the phone camera at the QR code shown on your computer. Wait a moment. Click on Continue. A code will be produced on computer. Once the code is entered on phone, it asks permission for SMS messages. Click Allow. Then allow access to phone calls and contact. You will see a confirmation on both devices. If you are asked to allow the connection, tap Allow on the phone. Also allow it to use phone, photos, and videos. Allow the other permissions. And it is done. The phone link screen appears. Let us explore the interface first. On the left side you can see Notification pane. All the notifications received on your phone are shown here. If you open the Start menu, another small menu is now attached. You can see both the message, calls, and photos options are available on this small menu and in the main application of Phone Link. The messages can be sent and received without touching your phone. Let us write a message, then insert an emoji, and attach a photo. You have the option to send your message from different network. In order to send and receive phone calls, your computer should have Bluetooth device enabled. Right now I don't have. So, I cannot make a call. Click on the photo option. All photos on the phone are displayed. And that's it. Remember, if some options are not working, it depends on your phone models. A list is given on Microsoft website. I will post the link in the description. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Full Course Online for more simple and practical tutorials. Thank you for watching.